Imagine a world where every job, from the simplest task to the most complex profession, is performed by artificial intelligence. What would our lives look like if AI could replace all jobs? Today, we'll explore the potential impacts, both positive and negative, of such a revolutionary change. The rise of artificial intelligence and automation has been rapid and transformative. From early computational machines to advanced AI systems capable of learning and decision-making, technology has drastically changed how we work. Artificial intelligence is not just about robots performing repetitive tasks. Modern AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make decisions that were once the exclusive domain of humans. AI is already transforming many industries. Let's take a closer look at how AI could replace jobs across various sectors. In healthcare, AI can perform surgeries with precision, diagnose diseases using vast medical databases, and provide personalized treatment plans. AI in healthcare can reduce errors, increase efficiency, and make advanced medical care accessible to more people. However, the human touch and empathy are irreplaceable aspects of patient care. In manufacturing, robots have taken over assembly lines, performing tasks faster and with greater accuracy than humans. This increases production rates and reduces costs. While AI can handle repetitive tasks, humans are needed for supervision, maintenance, and innovation. In education, AI tutors can provide personalized learning experiences, adapt to each student's needs, and make education more accessible. AI can enhance learning, but the role of teachers in fostering critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence remains crucial. In this industry, robots can cook and serve food, clean, and provide customer service, making operations more efficient. AI can improve service speed and accuracy, but human interaction is key to customer satisfaction. The potential benefits of AI replacing jobs are immense. Automation could lead to increased productivity, lower costs, and more leisure time for people. With AI handling most work, humans could focus on creativity, innovation, and personal development. This could lead to a cultural renaissance, with more time for art, science, and community building. However, the transition to a fully automated workforce presents significant challenges and ethical considerations. The most immediate concern is unemployment and economic inequality. If not managed properly, AI replacing jobs could lead to widespread unemployment, increased poverty, and social unrest. Crucial to develop policies that ensure fair distribution of wealth and opportunities. Another concern is the ethical implications of AI decision-making. AI systems can be biased, lack transparency, and make decisions without human empathy. Ensuring AI systems are fair, transparent, and accountable is essential. We must also consider the moral implications of relying heavily on machines for critical decisions. Preparing for a future where AI replaces most jobs requires proactive measures. Education and training programs must evolve to equip people with skills that complement AI. Emphasizing STEM education, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence will be key. We must also foster a culture of lifelong learning to adapt to rapid technological changes. Encouraging innovation and entrepreneurship can create new opportunities and industries. Supporting community help ensure no one is left behind in this transition. The prospect of AI replacing all jobs is both exciting and daunting. It promises unparalleled advancements and benefits but also presents significant challenges. By preparing thoughtfully and ethically, we can navigate this transformation and build a future that benefits everyone. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of a future shaped by artificial intelligence. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content.